This is an unboxing video of my CYMA, I think is what it is. Thompson model 1928, the Chicago Typewriter, or known as the Tommy gun. First off, I want to say that I did get this gun in a trade for my Echo 1 AKM, or AK-47. I put my AK on Craigslist and got a text about this, so I was like, oh, what the heck, I wanted to see how good these things are, and I've been wanting one for a while, so I got it. And the dude did give me a stick mag, which does not come with it, so he bought it separately. Came with the box, obviously. 8.4 volt, 1100 milliamp battery. The trickle charger, which I would suggest buying a smart charger for $20 to $30 on most every Airsoft website there is. And I have a smart charger, by the way. A drum mag, which there's a little wear and tear on it, but still looks new. If that made any sense to any of y'all. And then the gun. Nice weight and feel to it. It's plastic wood, but it looks and feels good for plastic wood. The dude did take the orange tip off or paint over it, whatever. I don't know. My arms are a little too short to do that. I mean, it'll reach, but it just doesn't feel comfortable. So if I was doing it, I'd hold it like that. I've watched some videos and reviews and unboxings and everything on this gun. The charging handle is completely pointless. The hop-up is not in the charging handle like it is in almost every other gun. It's right here in front of it. It has some US patent numbers. It's all metal, which is nice. Some Thompson submachine gun, caliber 6mm. And then it has the US model 1928 on it. And then it has the, where's that? Fires, it's on safety right now, and then it's on fire. And then it's on single right now, and then it's on full auto. The mag release is this little lever right here, you push it up. And the battery goes into the stock. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you pull this little thing up, pull it out and turn it, and then pull the wires up and put it in there. The only thing I know that it did not come with is the cleaning / jamming rod, which I don't care. I have 3 other ones, so I could care less. I think it was worth my money or trade. I didn't put any money into it. It was just flat out trading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I will also have a review of this gun up soon. And tomorrow I'm going to SS Airsoft for the back to school midnight madness. So check the next 1 to 3 days for videos of that. It might take a while since I'll be there for like 10 hours, 9 hours, because I'm going at 3 to 12. So check in the next 1 to 3 days for videos on that. Thanks for watching my unboxing video of my Tommy gun. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. See ya.